If you have an active immigration court case and you've been waiting to get your case dismissed, follow all the way to the end. So the frustration is that in some cases there are delays in the government attorneys, Department of Homeland Security, in responding to the emails, to the phone calls, for us to know whether the Department of Homeland Security will agree to our motion to dismiss. So I got to court yesterday and provided all the documents, the filed application to the government attorney, and normally they would say, sure, dismissed. But this attorney said, not to give him a hard time, but he said, our office hasn't reviewed it yet, you haven't submitted yet. But of course, we emailed several times. I told him that. I was trying to be kind about it, to not give him a hard time, because I know he's not the actual one reviewing it. And so what I realized that, what is the current process of how they accept these PD or motion to dismiss case requests? And every office across America related to Department of Homeland Security does it differently. So that's why it's so frustrating for everyone involved, whether it's a client, any attorney office doing this. Okay, so you might be wondering, what's the next step, John? So to get a successful result in this situation, which is to get the case dismissed, that's our option number one. We provided a copy in person to the judge and to the government attorneys, Department of Homeland Security. And this is the client's first court hearing, and we anticipate that this will be the last. The judge was gracious enough to give us a couple more months. By July 2023 will be the new court hearing, and give us that amount of time, a few more months, to discuss this, to get the Department of Homeland Security to get on board and join our motion to dismiss. And what will that do? Okay, so here's the deal. You'd rather have USCIS make a decision on your application and not the judge, because if a judge decides your case and it results in a negative decision, then that means the effect is that it's an order of removal or voluntary departure, and you're technically supposed to leave the United States. Follow for more tips, and talk to you soon.